Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to do like a quick unboxing of like a item or two that I got at Dior. But at first I had like a ton of items that I wanted because I kind of feel for a lot of the fall like light jackets that I really liked. So I went to Dior like looking for these items on my lunch break because I rarely have I'm rarely home. So this week I was home, so I like ran to Dior to get a few items, and I wanted these items for their fall collection, and they didn't even have any. I know they have like a little grand like thing this weekend, but I wasn't gonna be able to make it. But these are the items that I really wanted. I wanted the jacket. I thought they're more my style, so I think I really wanted them because of that. And I was like disappointed that they didn't have it. They didn't have absolutely like nothing that I wanted. I really wanted this Lady Dior with a D-Light bag because I really like that color. They had one, however, like so many people were using it, so I was just like, oh yeah, no, I'm not gonna spend like $5,000 on a bag and it's been like touched so much. I was like, no thank you. I wanted this like just regular shirt, and then also I wanted this like Christian Dior polo shirt. They didn't have that either, so yeah. And I signed up on like the Dior website, so when they get so I can get a notification. I got a notification today while I was in a meeting at work, and when I got out of the meeting it was already sold out. So I don't know, I give up. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you the quick unboxing of the items that I did get.